Good morning and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, thanks for stopping in, and don't forget to like and subscribe. If over here to your bottom right you'll see a little logo, you can just click on that or click below. In this video I'm actually doing my best friend of over 20 years hair. She only comes to visit me every 6 months to get her hair done because she doesn't make time for herself, so I made her come in. We actually did a change up. We just cut about 8 inches off of her hair. I will do a separate video on that. That way this one's not too long and I will post that next. But first, for the color today, I'm going to add some, she has really curly hair, pretty strong wave pattern. And we want to make the highlights stand out, make them nice and piecey. And then we're going to do her base with a color that came out by Matrix a while ago from their socolor line called the High Impact Brunettes. But I'll get into that once we get into that step. So right now I am doing the highlight really piecey. As you can tell, the slice itself is very thin. However, the weave is wider, and that'll give you the piecey dimension that that we want for her curls to stand out and be dimensional. Her hair is extremely, extremely thick, and if we don't do it this way and put enough separation in between the highlights, it'll blend in, and I don't want the highlights to blend in. I want them to stand out.
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Just stare, 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. My darling dear, you're never here. When I'm in pain, you hide and disappear. Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near, in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares through. I used to run with you through the great big leaves, laugh at you when you laugh at me. Hope for us because I believe the home was just you and me. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, I'm gonna do this on my own. No point in blaming you, you did not know. Oh, I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me.
Here's the color I was talking about. It is gonna mix with a 1:2 ratio, 1 part developer, 2 parts 20 volume. It is not recommended for higher. It does not lift the hair though. The whole goal of the color is to enhance the brunette that the client already has. So I figure since she is a level 6, she has blonder ends, it will be a little bit brighter on the ends, and that is okay, but it will not lift the hair 2 levels, even if you are using double 20 volume, 2, 3, 4 levels, whatever. So I kind of figured that since her hair is a 6 and it's a 0.82 is the one I use, and that is a mauve violet. I assumed it would be a little more vibrant. It wasn't quite as vibrant as I thought. However, it was a very pretty, rich brown.
Why I give you everything, held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me.
This sat for the full 35 minutes. That is the full time recommended timing. When it oxidized, it had like that nice burgundy tone to it, to the color itself, but once I rinsed it, like I said, it wasn't quite as bright as I wanted. The pictures, the after picture that I take did not show how mocha-y it actually was. It still just looks like a brown, but so it did have like a mocha color to it, not much of a violet. I'm sure that the lighter the hair, so if she was a level 7, it would have been a little more vibrant, but it'll do. It's a pretty color. It enhanced her brown. It did exactly what it said it would do, and she was happy. So I'll probably try this again on somebody. And it's funny how some colors can be so vibrant on the same or a different person with the same level of hair and thickness, and then the next person with the same level of hair and thickness, it's not as vibrant, even with the same formula. It ended up really pretty. Like I said, it looks way more neutral to me on my screen, but it is, it's a nice, rich, warmer brown. We did tone the highlights with a 9 NB and 9 GI. She lightens naturally always really, really, really brassy, so I wanted to keep it warm but counteract the brassiness. But in the end, it was nice. I would try the color again. This is a new style change for her. So we were excited, but thanks for stopping in. Any questions, comment below. If you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.